guys, what's up? I'm doing a squishy favorite to least favorite me to by the way, see, this is my least favorite.
It ain't my fault you keep turning me on. It ain't my fault you got me so gone. It ain't my fault I'm not leaving alone. It ain't my fault you keep turning me on. I can't talk right now. I'm looking at like what I'm seeing. Got me feeling kinda shocked right now. Couldn't stop right now. Even if I wanna, gotta get it where it's at right now. Oh my God, what is this? Want you all in my business, baby, I insist. Please don't blame me for whatever happens then. No, I can't be responsible if
These aren't my
I
favorite.
get you in trouble now. So you're too irresistible.
By the way,
Yeah,
these
that's for
are
sure.
all
So if I put your hands where my eyes can't see, then you're the one who's got a hold on me. No, I can't be responsible. It ain't my fault. It ain't my fault.
going into big
It ain't my fault you came in looking like that. You just made me trip, fall and land on your lap. Something bad boy smooth, body hotter than a summer. I don't mean to be rude, but I look so damn good. Oh yeah, ain't got time right now. Miss me without what's your name, your side now. It's light outside. I just called an Uber and it's right outside. Oh my
came
God,
really
what is this? Want you all in my business, baby, I insist. Please don't blame me for whatever
But I never
happens
chose
then. No, I can't be responsible
This is
if I get you in trouble now. So you're too irresistible. Yeah, that's for sure. So if I put your hands where my eyes can't see, then you're the one who's got a hold on me. No, I can't be responsible. It ain't my fault.
some of the songs.
It ain't my fault.
This is probably
Baby, 1, 2, 3, your body's calling me, and I know wherever you're at is exactly where I wanna be. But don't blame me, it ain't my fault.
gonna read this one because it's the
It
same
ain't my fault. It ain't my fault.
and it's dead face.
It ain't my fault.
Called a kawaii.
It ain't my fault.
So,
No, it ain't my fault. No, you got me so gone. It ain't my fault. You got me so gone.
I'll be doing that.
Well, that's too bad. It ain't my fault.
I might also be doing a makeup for my birthday, but it was in November. And I didn't have this YouTube account in November, so yeah. So I'll show you all my squishies in favorited to least favorited, right? Just doing it now. Put it down. I have so many. Oh yeah. Just doing them now. Just trying to remember how I did it. Let's just say I did them in this order. like these buns, I just couldn't actually. That's it. This is actually a cake. I got told it was tofu. I don't think it is. I think that's good time. I'm not sure, but people call it egg thing. And yeah, I hope you have a lovely day. Everybody loves you. I love all my viewers. And bye.